Hey guys, welcome back to Crazy Days Kitchen, the Freeze Drying Academy. All right, I know it's been a while since I posted some videos for you, but I got something really super cool. All right, what do I got for you? I've got some Jolly Ranchers. All right, now I've never done freeze-dried Jolly Ranchers before, but I did do them last week with the kids in the neighborhood. We took the Jolly Ranchers. I got like 5 pounds of this thing from a company called, what is it? Candy and Bulk, I believe it is. Yeah, candyandbulk.com. They were running a promo, like 5 pounds of this stuff for like 20 bucks. I'm like, all right, let's find out what happened. And it actually came out really cool. In fact, take a look at this picture here. This is what it looks like when I pre-packaged them for the neighborhood kids. All right, fast forward. Valentine's Day is coming up. And I'm gonna surprise my neighborhood kids with these Jolly Ranchers, but a little bit different, okay? So normally in the Jolly Ranchers, I'll do the 4 pieces, then I'll do 3 pieces, 4 pieces, 3 pieces, and so on until the tray is full, okay? Now, let me kind of rewind a little bit. What you have to do is kind of cut them up, okay? So you got the Jolly Ranchers. I use some surgical scissors and I cut them into thirds. So they look like, colored rocks right now, okay? And again, go back and do the 4-3-4-3 method and you'll have them amazing because they do expand a lot. But I'm gonna try something different, and what I'm doing right now is I'm gonna use my regular tray dividers that I have, okay? And you'll notice each one of the trays has 4 little squares. I'm gonna add 2 pieces, at least 2 pieces of each one of these, just random, doesn't matter, into each one of the squares so that I can possibly come up with a Jolly Rancher infusion that's gonna blow these kids' minds. Well, sit back, relax, enjoy as I show you how to freeze-dry Jolly Ranchers a little bit different. Now on the Harvest right, there is an app. Go into it, select candy, scroll down. You've got a whole list of stuff that you can choose from, especially if you have the 6.0 software. Now we're gonna scroll down until we see Jolly Ranchers here, and we're gonna go ahead and select Jolly Ranchers, and you're gonna get this menu, okay? And it's gonna give you all the steps needed on how to freeze dry your Jolly Ranchers. It's quick, simple, and easy. Man, these things are gonna be beautiful. They've only been in here for about 20 minutes, and look at that, the expansion is awesome, and I do see the colors mixing here, so these are gonna come out really cool. All right, man, it takes about 3 hours for these Jolly Ranchers to be done. I'll see you then. All right, guys. The machine just told me they're done. It's been about 3 hours. They swelled up a lot. So we're gonna go ahead and shut the machine off here, or in this case, we can put it in like a standby mode because it isn't candy, so I can do more batches. We're gonna go ahead and bring the trays out and take a look at them. All right, guys, 3 hours. We just pulled them out of the freeze dryer. And let's take a look at these. Now, you're gonna see that one of the trays looks amazing. They mingled really, really, really well. And 2 of the trays, actually I should say 2 trays came out really, really nice. 2 trays, you'll see that the tops kind of look like they got cut off. That's because they expanded so much in those machines. If you go back a few seconds, you'll see how much it expanded. So that's why you gotta be really, really careful about the size of your pieces because they do expand a lot. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and remove these dividers, put them in some Ziploc bags temporarily because I got a whole bunch more to make before I start packing them up. Well, there you go, guys. That is how you can freeze dry some amazing Jolly Ranchers that you can actually mix into multiple flavors. Well, thanks for watching Crazy Days Kitchen. I'll see you next time.